Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up OANDA as your broker on TradingView. Now what I want you to do is make sure you have your account login details. Once you have that, just go to TradingView, okay? Go open up any chart, right? Go to the super chart section, come here to the trading panel, and what I want you to do is just search up for OANDA. So you can scroll down here, right? Look for it. And if you find it, that's perfect. Or you can just come here, search it up, OANDA. There you go. Go ahead and click on it. Then click here on connect. Then what will happen, it'll actually open up a new tab. You just type in your email address and password that you actually use for OANDA. Then hit sign in and it will actually be connected to your OANDA account, okay, as your broker on TradingView. Found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.